In this video, I am going to show you a simple few plugins that are awesome in Adobe XD and that you can use to generate color palettes like this one. You can see on my right, we have material colors, the whole palette. Then in the middle, I have generated a palette using another plugin. And on the left, we have another plugin generated whole palette. You can pick up colors from here. You can pick up colors from Google's material design on the right. And let me show you which plugins I am talking about one by one. So we are going through some great color scheme generating plugins for Adobe XD. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to open up a new file. Let's go to new, open up a new file. Let's use this web and zoom in, Control or Command 0. Okay, so first we are going to start with a rectangle. So I'm going to press R. Here is my rectangle. I am going to remove the border, going to select one color and create another one. I'm going to select some color which is a bit brighter and lighter. Okay, so we have two colors. I'm going to select both of them, going to go to plugins, and here we have a plugin called Blend Colors. You can find that in, if you want to go to over here, discover plugins or manage plugins, you can go over here and where it is, okay, so if we go to all plugins, type color, and you will see I have all these installed over here. And then we have this color ranger, material color palette. So all these different plugins, I'm going to show you one by one. So first we are going to go with this plugin, which is Blend Colors. So I'm going to go click this and it is going to show me how many steps I want to for the blend. So I'm going to press 6 and I'm going to press OK. And now you can see I have a great clean palette ranging from this dark to this cyan bluish color, and they have a great blend. So if I want to, separate them, these are all squares. So we don't need to worry that how many of these we have. Okay, so this is one way to create a great color scheme ranging from one color to another one. It is called basically a color scale. Okay, so moving on to the next one. So this is actually color ranger. So let's go back to where we had all these. Okay, now if I want to, you can say, adjust the brightness or saturation of all these colors at once. I cannot do it from here. Okay, so there is a plugin. You can go to color ranger and here we can adjust the brightness a little bit less. We are going to increase the saturation and going to apply it. You can see now they are more saturated, have more colors, and they are a bit darker. So this is a great way if we want to, have some dark and light shades of the same color instantly, or want to change a lot of colors at once. Okay, so let's delete all these. Let's keep this one and let's move to the new over here, which is color scale. I really love it. This is the one I love. Okay, so base color, this is our base color. We want our scale mode to move from base color to white color. So we want to have like 7 steps from this color to 7. And here we have the whole palette. Okay, so here we have 7 steps from this color to white color. Now again, I'm going to select this one and I am going to go to plugins and color scale. And this time I'm going to select to black color. So we have another one which is going to go from this color to black color. So make sure whatever color you choose, it is not very dark, not very light. So it is somewhere around here. Then it will create a great variation. So if I go over here and create again the color scale from to black, it is going to give me a better scale. Okay, so this one looks better than this one. Okay, so it is mostly all blacks. Here we have nice blend. Okay, so one more thing, let me go again to plugins, scale, and we are going to go to complementary colors. Complementary colors are opposite colors on a color scale. So if I click over here and create 10, you can see the complementary color for this purplish blue is yellowish green. So we have something like this. So this is a great color scheme tool. It was, what was its name? Color scale. Okay. So blend colors, color ranger. Color ranger is to select all the colors and you can say minimize the brightness and adjust the saturation. Blend colors is if you want to have a blend of two colors and within different steps. Color scale is going to generate a whole color scale. Okay, so one more is add GDS palette to assets. This is one more thing which I think is used by government of UK, England government. They have some standard colors based on all the accessibility principles that color blind people and other people, they can view them easily. So this is a great color set. You can see over here we have purple, we have this color, we have light purple, we have bright purple, a great names and all different kinds of colors. You can use them in while you are building dashboards. Okay, so there are a lot of colors in dashboards. For status bars, we have 3 green colors over here. We have reds, we have bright red, we have pink. So this is another color scheme generator, and it is going to add your colors to the assets. Okay, so just keep in mind, don't try to look everywhere else that where my colors have gone. Then this is another one which I really love, which is material theme editor. Okay, so please remember the names material theme editor, and if I go to material color palette, it is going to give me the whole material design color palette in one place, and I can pick the colors from here pressing I want this color, then I want maybe this color. Okay, so I picked up these 2 colors. They are contrasting colors and really look nice. So this is another one which is a great color scheme generator. It is going to generate all the material colors. Okay, so let's move on to few more. Okay, so here we have create color palette. So if I click over here, it is going to give me an error that please select something. Okay, so when you click over here, let me delete this one too. Okay, so when you go to this plugin, create color palette, it is going to give you this whole color palette where we have blues, greens, different shades, and they have all the values over here in hexadecimal. You can see over here. So we have a range of different colors, a lot of different colors, although they are not material design colors, but you can use this plugin. So I really get confused by the names of these plugins because they are very similar and very strange sometimes. One more is material palette. So material theme editor and material palette, they are a bit different. So control or command M, and here we have another material palette. So you can select any color over here. You can copy its this CSS value, or you can say hexadecimal value, and you can use it over here. For example, if I draw like this and like this, and I'm going to fill it and paste it the color over here. That is all. Okay, so this is another material design palette. Okay, so it is easier to access. Control command M, control M. Oops, I'm not sure what is happening. It is not triggering right now with control M. Anyhow, I would love this one better because I have all the colors at the side of me rather than, you know, accessing this plugin again and again. So I would give this material theme editor 100% or 10 out of 10, 5 stars. This is a great plugin. Then I would give 10 stars or 5 stars, 5 out of 5 stars for this blend colors. This is another great one. And for this color scales. So if I recommend all the different color scheme editors or color scheme plugins for Adobe XD, I would always advise you to just have these 3: blend colors, color scale, and material. This one is also good, create color palette, but material theme editor. So these 3 are really essential if you want to have this one, create color palette. This is another one. Material palette, I am not going to use it, so I would probably remove it from my plugins because I don't want to keep like hundreds of plugins over here. This is a disaster. And even in Sketch software, I really don't like having like hundreds of plugins to do all the things. Your software, your app must have built-in features to do most of the work. So this is all about all different color scheme generators and color scheme plugins for Adobe XD. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. If you have any questions or any queries, you can always ask me. If you have to like this video, like it, or if you want to dislike it, go ahead and dislike it. If you want to subscribe, you can click on the subscribe button. There are a lot of new plugins coming ahead for Adobe XD, and most of them are not very great. So I will be picking up just few of them which I really think are great, and UI designers really need them. Okay, so that is all for this video. Stay tuned and I will be making more such videos soon. Let's see you in another video.